Hello, in this video I want to show you how to fix the problem when you can't find any games on a Google Play Store in a Nokia T10. To do this, let's launch our Google Play Store, and here let's try to find the game like Call of Duty. And as you can see, there's actually icon for the game, but when we click on it, nothing happens. And to fix this, go back to the homepage of a Google Play Store and click on your profile picture. Head on to your settings and enter family, then parental controls, and here you can either disable the parental controls entirely with a switch, or go for apps and games and insert the PIN code. Click on OK and increase PG to at least 16. Make sure to save the settings afterwards and go back. Now when we look for the game again, it's right here and we can't even click on it again. Okay, let's restart our Google Play Store. And it's right here and we can install it, so you might need to restart your Google Play Store or try to save the settings again, or simply restart your entire device and it should work fine. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.